Hello, it's Just Gaming here, and welcome to a different video. This is not a random video, this is just a different video that I kind of want to let you guys all know. So, it's basically a video that I've been meaning to make for, I think a couple of weeks, and it will say Jack's Gaming in the title. Don't ask me why I'm putting it there, because I know you might have noticed on some videos anyway, I do put my channel name in the title. Don't ask me why I do, just because I do it. So... just hate it when people walk past, it's just annoying. Right, anyway, we'll carry on. Just go up here. I should be staying up here, to be honest with you. Should be staying up here. Anyway, yeah, what was saying is that basically I want to talk about something, and I'm not sure if you guys don't know, but basically you can actually now get dark mode now, and you might be wondering that what is dark mode, by the way, what is it? So basically, if you know what it is, by the way, that I'm not sure if you can get it on other phones as well, but I know that on iPhone now, you can actually turn everything on dark mode now. So basically, every time when I go on something, yeah, it goes into dark, basically. So you can either have it, I think it's called light or theme. Oh no, light or black, I think it's called on the settings anyway. I know that on my phone it works anyway. But yeah, you can now get dark mode on your phone, and it's pretty good. So I basically the person that showed me how to do it was my friend Jack Mather, if you don't know, because he's got dark mode on his phone as well. Because apparently you can do it on the iPhone 11 Pro as well, but I don't have that phone at the moment, because my phone that I've got right now, the iPhone XS Max, I've still got a 2-year contract on it yet until I get the iPhone 11 Pro, but apparently you can do it on this phone as well, so that is pretty good. So yeah, you can actually do it on this phone as well. That's what dark mode is. So basically, if you go on to, I might do a tutorial on it at some point. I know that I haven't done a tutorial in a long time. I'm gonna bring them back, by the way, them tutorials, because I haven't done them in a while. Yeah, I will do a tutorial on it at some point of kind of the way how it works. So I might as well just tell you right now. So basically, the way how it works is you have to go on to brightness, by the way. So I think it's called display and brightness. That's the name of the settings you need to go on, and then basically it will come up straight away with dark or themed, by the way. I mean dark and light, basically. So it will kind of show you a few pictures of dark, and then it'll show you a few pictures of light, basically, of kind of the way how it works. And then I didn't even realise you can actually do it, because I actually do prefer black than white, because obviously I do like black because it's pretty good. And every time I now go on a social media, or I go on YouTube, or I go on anything else or anything like that, it now goes on to black. I know that it works on all socials. Only the social media it doesn't work on is only WhatsApp, and I don't even know why it don't work on WhatsApp. I don't even know why. Maybe WhatsApp hasn't updated it yet, maybe. But yeah, on the other socials that I use, dark mode does work on it. So that is really good, and I'm pretty happy that yeah, you can now get dark mode on your phone, because I didn't even realise, I didn't even know. Jack Mather's the expert. He's actually quite good at a lot of things, actually. He's actually better than me, so yeah, I'm actually pretty glad that I've now got dark mode on my phone, because it is a lot more better compared to normal. Yeah. Is a lot more better, because what I did is I did take some screenshots of it. What I'll do, by the way, is the thumbnail is actually going to be a picture of dark mode. So what I'm going to do is I'll take a picture on settings, by the way, and what I'll do is I'll put that as the thumbnail of this video, by the way, so you can see it for yourself, by the way. Just to let you all know about it, because at some point coming up I will do a tutorial about it and let you guys all know. but yeah, it's pretty cool, and I'm happy that I've now got dark mode on it because it is a lot more better, and I do like it like that. And yeah, so I believe it only works on iPhone 10 and iPhone 11. I think at the moment. I'm not sure if it works on all other iPhones, like all the old ones and stuff. And as I said, I'm not sure if it works on other phones as well, like Samsung or anything like that. I don't really know because obviously I don't have Samsung, so I'm not sure if it works on there. But yeah, I'm pretty happy that I can now get it on my iPhone 10. So yeah, pretty happy that I can get it on there. Yeah, but I'm actually pretty happy I can now get it on there. Yeah. So I possibly might do a video on my, because I do have a recorder. I might do a video. I don't even know when I'll do this. I don't know, but I might do a video of going onto the settings. And actually showing you dark mode on the settings. By the way, I might end up doing a video about it maybe. I don't even know when I'm going to be doing that though, but I will end up doing it. Yeah, I'll have to wait and see, but I might end up doing it. I'm not entirely sure, but yeah, I'll have to let you know. So yeah, so that is my video about dark mode. So basically, I'll tell you again how it works. It works on display and brightness. You have to do it on there, and then all the settings are just pretty easy. And then obviously you can have it on dark or light, whatever you want to choose, and then it will just work completely straight away and honky dory. So yeah, that's how it works. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy it. As I said, I will do a tutorial on it coming up very, very soon. I've kind of read away how it works. I don't even know how I'm going to do it though. Another thing I can do is I might have to. Well, I've got two options. I can either record it on my phone or I can record it on my face cam. And I can show it you that way, maybe. I'm not entirely sure how it's going to work yet. Another thing I've been thinking of is I might do it through my phone, because obviously I do have a phone recorder, so I might end up maybe doing it on that, maybe. I'm not entirely sure, but I'll have to just think about how it's going to work, so... yeah, hopefully guys did like this video of me talking about dark mode, and if all of you do have dark mode on your phone, that is really, really good. And yeah, let me know in the comments if you want me to do another video like this about dark mode again, or anything like that, but I kind of wanted to just talk about it and, yeah, let you guys all know about it. Yeah. So yeah, that's it. I might do another video about it again at some point, if I do end up doing it, but we'll have to kind of see if I will end up doing another video. But yeah, that is dark mode on phones, and I'll see you later. Bye!